I've made
a blob.
A cyclops.
Hello.
YouTube.
Someone requested that we do a how-to video on the Nespresso machine we got.
You're in luck because we want an espresso right now. Here's our setup. Got the frother. We got the Nespresso Inissia. Do not pay attention to this. This is a Keurig and it is not supposed to be there. There's two buttons on top. To turn it on, push them once and then they blink. What would you like, Miss Crystal Rose? A latte?
Yeah.
Okay, you grab a latte cup.
Okay. Yeah,
Alright. Capsule. You put the capsule, you just drop it in there, and you close it. While I get some frothing going, I'm just gonna hit this button right here. So this is a small shot, or this is to make a latte. And I press that.
Yummy, yummy sweetness. Only you could smell through a video.
Sorry to interrupt the beauty of this machine, but we got a froth.
How do you froth, Kenny?
Comes with two different attachments. This one is more for the small espresso shots. This one is for lattes, and it just goes on with a magnet, like that. What Crystal Rose likes is some half and half. You can use milk, you can use almond milk, you can use whatever your little heart desires. For flavor, for Crystal, because she likes a lot of flavor. We usually do pumpkin spice because it's fall, but she drank it all. So
we drank it all.
Cinnamon vanilla creme. A little bit. Put the lid on. You just press this button once, or you hold it for 2 seconds for cold, but we want it hot. So once. It's amazing.
It's frothing.
Now, you have yourself a beautiful latte.
Oh my god.
And I'm gonna do a cute little design on top. No one knows what it's gonna be until it's done.
I don't think you even know what it's gonna be. Oh my god.
I've made
a blob.
A cyclops. Look at that little smiley face with the one eye. Took me a while to learn that. And it's for Crystal. And I always have to do a first drink to make sure there's no poison. It's pretty good. I want just a regular espresso. So I open it and the cup falls down behind here so you don't have to discard it. I want this limited edition one because it tastes like smoky Cuban-ish. So I drop it in there. Basically the same thing to make the latte. Close it. Grab the espresso cups. And then you press this button on the left. Alright. And mine's done. I'm not gonna do any fancy schmancy stuff on it.
How is it to wash that frother? How is that?
It's very easy. Check it out. You just rinse it. And then just dry it off with a paper towel. And every once in a while you can use soap. I don't know how OCD you might be. Some people might use soap every time. But in this house, we use paper towel 3 times per use, and then we'll use soap. It's actually been used about 10 times. We've never used soap, to be completely honest. But it's clean, and that's the beauty of it. And that's it. Simple.
Cheers.
Cheers. Get an espresso, people. You won't regret it. It's the best thing we've ever gotten in our lives, ever.
So if you like this video as much as we like this Nespresso machine, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment below Anything else you'd like to see us do?
And thank you, Nespresso. You're the best.
Until next time. See ya.
I've made
A blob.
a cyclops.
Hello.
YouTube.
Someone requested that we do a how-to video on the Nespresso machine we got.
You're in luck because we want an espresso right now. Here's our setup. Got the frother. We got the Nespresso Inissia. Do not pay attention to this.